While accounting technicians do accounting, they also need a basic understanding of business and commercial law. You need to be able to answer questions like this. What is a business? And what kinds of organizations operate businesses? What is a corporation? What is a partnership? What is the difference between an employee and a contractor? What's a gig worker, and are they employees or contractors? Canada, as a former British colony, has the British common law built into its DNA. And so do the Americans to our south. Most colleges and universities do a creditable job of putting together introductory business and commercial law courses, and students who have taken such a course will certainly benefit from that exposure. However, our approach is quite a bit different. First, this course contains publicly available information from the internet published by a variety of sources that include federal and provincial government websites, as well as those of reputable law firms practicing in Canada. There is also an online resource covering all Canadian legislation, as well as cases from the last 25 years. Of course, the issues are often complex. We hope that students will gain an appreciation for the difficulty of many of these issues and eventually, as managers or practitioners, understand when it is appropriate to seek professional advice. Regardless, they will have this online resource as a place to start. Second, we employ virtual faculty. Our primary textbook was actually written by an American, Rachel Spooner, associate professor at Boston College. It is available as an Audible book from Amazon, with an accompanying set of notes in PDF format for a cost of about $30. There are of course differences between US and Canadian legal systems. There are also a great many similarities, since all English-speaking countries have English common law built into the DNA of their legal systems. As a result, most of the principles and many precedents apply in Canada as well. We use Ms. Spooner's textbook as a place to start, and compare with Canadian sources to determine where differences exist. Just to make things interesting, Canadians working and doing business in Quebec are also governed to some extent by the descendants of French civil law, but more about that in the course.
Like all 5 of the courses in the Business Analyst Technician program, this course is designed for online self-study and is free to download and use. There is one exception here. A generous part of the main PDF, along with an Audible book entitled Learn the Essentials of Business Law in 15 Days, must be purchased from the Audible website. We will need you to submit proof of purchase of the Audible book before you can download the main PDF. We feel it's a great deal for such a useful text at just $30 or so. All of the other course materials are available in either PDF, portable document format, or as a YouTube video. The intent was to make the content as broadly available as possible, regardless of what kind of computing appliance you are currently using.